got Bella Bosio, high quality, non-toxic, one-of-a-kind nail polishes. All right. High quality, non-toxic, one of a kind. All sorts of details here. Let's see what we got here. Very, very cute. And I like this up here, all the different options right there. And you're doing great, 1,339 sales. So you've got a very nice little start there. Um, and you know, you're getting after it. And you're welcome, Victoria. I thought you were from Facebook, so I was looking through Facebook the whole time for your comments, but it looks like you're here on shop on the live storm for us. All right, Sheila. So I make the nail polish myself. The nail wraps are manufactured, but I make the polishes. Man, that's cool. I don't know how you make nail polish. You must be like a chemist or something cool like that. So let's see. Wine O'Clock, a copper brown with rose gold undertone, cat eye polish with copper flakes and holographic glitter. That's really cool. Wow. That's interesting. So first off, before I go any further, Sheila, I will say, because you are an established seller, you're doing well. You've got 69 products and 1,300 sales. So if I say, hey, change your keywords on something, you might not want to change your keywords. Like, I don't think wine o'clock is a great keyword for nail polish. But I wouldn't necessarily recommend changing any keywords on this listing because it looks like this listing is already selling for you. Instead, what you could do is make a copy of this listing and you could try some new keywords on the new listing instead of messing with one that might already be working well for you. So this is a great looking product, super simple. You can see the nail polish on the nails. So, you know, you've got the product demonstration. You've got a picture of the little jar here, the nail polish. You can see what it looks like, 15 milliliters, full-size bottle. So for this one, and this is, again, kind of tough, you know, what is a keyword? See, for something like this, wine o'clock. So a copper brown with rose gold undertone. Okay, so maybe copper brown. Let's look up copper brown nail polish. Okay, let's see what we get there. 192 results. So not a whole lot right there. I'm very curious as to where, you know, what are the keywords that people are searching for to find your products. You could try copper, nail polish, 1,583 results. So a little bit better there. But usually how I would kind of recommend people working on their keywords would be to find keywords that you know, describe the product a little bit better. Now, wine o'clock is a cute name, but I don't know that it's necessarily something people are going to search for to find your product. Now, you've also got some other ones, holographic glitter. So we tried copper nail polish. Copper nail polish has 1,583 results. So that's pretty good, actually. We could try brown nail polish, brown nail polish. What do we got for that one? 3,339. All right. And let's see who else has some suggestions. Fall nail polish. See, everybody over here got great suggestions for you. So Mary says brown nail polish. We checked that one, $33.99. Let's try fall nail polish. Let's see what we get for that. 3,812. So actually pretty good. That's another good one right there. Let's put that one down. Fall nail polish, 3,812. And then let's see, metallic nail polish. So Mary's recommending metallic nail polish, 5,066. So that's a great keyword, but you might want to make it more color specific, 5,066. So you could try something like brown metallic nail polish, 807 results. So that one's an all right keyword. And then you could also try holographic. I think it was the keyword that I saw. Let's see, holographic glitter. Very cool. So 891 results for that one right there. So a few other different kind of keyword suggestions, but I think you've definitely done a good job. People like your products. They like what you have to sell. And I think what you could do on some of these winners is you can make a couple of copies. So like this evergreen one, you could duplicate the listing and you could go dark green nail polish, green holographic nail polish, green glitter nail polish. And you could hit some of those other different keywords right there, and you could use them inside your listing titles. And let's check out when this bad boy was renewed. So October 10th, very good, just a few days ago. So that one's nice and fresh. And let's check out some of your other products here. Sugar cookies, all natural nail and cuticle oil. Okay. Oh, very cute. So again, I think your keyword right here is cuticle oil. And I think you buried it too far down the line. So cuticle oil has 2,800 results. So it's not like a massive keyword. So I don't think you need to go and put it so far down the line. Sugar cookies, all natural nail and cuticle oil. You could do something like cuticle oil, all natural cuticle oil, natural nail oil. And then you could do some of maybe the cute keywords of like sugar cookie nail oil and some of those other ones there. Does it say jojoba? I wonder what this is made of. Nail and cuticle oil. Very cute. Looks like a fun product, doesn't it? I like that. It looks so nice. You just get to kind of paint your nails with some fancy oil. $3.50 cost of shipping. So $7 cost, $3.50 shipping. Not bad. It is jojoba. I always think jojoba is a funny word. What was that movie? Wedding Crashers. There's this movie, Wedding Crashers, and there's this goofy massage therapist, and he keeps talking about jojoba, and everybody's freaking out about it. That's what I think of when I think of jojoba. But beautiful products, Sheila. I love them. Really, really cute, and you've definitely got some. Your photos are so great. You know, I can see why you're doing well here. Lots and lots of fantastic photos. This red is so pretty, really stands out. Classy lady, classic red nail polish with micro glitters. So this is what I'm saying. On each of these listings, I think you could make a copy of them, and you could just go through and you could just hit it with a whole bunch of other keywords right here. So you could do red nail polish, classic red nail polish, bright red, apple red, and just use all of the different words to describe it. And then keep these things nice and renewed. You know, your winter listings, renew them once a week or so. And I think you're just going to continue to crush it.